Visit me to Mono. Visit for a book woman. Ah, yeah, also Kumasi visit.
One side.
Yeah, visit for unexpected. Unexpected. Oh, woman, I know shit. Ah, the whole visit. I can't be
Ye can't ye no Debbie now be whom carry no ye can't ye Debbie now be whom ye catch them say in coffee way bar mo be chiremon ye can ya mwentie ene mo ne visit ene mo ne muhushe John Dramani Mahama aka Bole Bamboy Nebuchadnezzar aka Idi Amin Abanya ne trimu odin a ondwene timamefon na abedi ne ho agro Abanya de onim ya ne se ochichi amanfo a enso eni mfaso na the kromfo over 13,000 akoda ne refugees e wo bi man mu sa aban no ne ye ka ne ho asem Abanya obaya ende Peaks Index anaga na number 2 no akoda number 5 e wo Africa akoda number 61 e wo wiase nyina na zokufa do amre so no ne da number 2 wo Africa ne da eye 50 e wo wiase nyina His Excellency JDM Abanya ne trimo odwen a ondin timamufo ho na nurses ne teachers for aye adwuma bosumi nkron ko bosumi ndu enie na onti omoka 1 cedis kra John Dramani Mahama Abanya ne ye ka ne ho asem no Abanya a ondwene timamufo na de onim ye ene se obechi nipa na enso si kum nipa wo man ne mu a security na omode chichi nipa no omuntimi pam bosa nipa ne ho ban oman a enda abada okase mutimamufo adane a woho wo bi krom esan se omonkaso mo president kura wo free sumpo basa ye koso wo no no ntimi nso ano Abanya o ye selective justice any misplaced priority aban we ni ye ka ne ho asemi ende PZ edromuso mo kai se Kevin Taylor ebet na ni station popotwa honom we di mwatem kanse mfun di mwatem semoniema eya esan se o sei mo makokasa ama netia ono na Abanya oye adwuma de mo eno nti odi mwatem se ma boa se mo kwase ya nenso mumu bia sanso twa mo ni san koye koka se Kevin de owo ye no de eni gi ho enti kosona ye enti enne Kevin Taylor edi mwatem awie ama wasoma ne nkofo otsuma ma no mu di su jon se nwan no wasoma mama ba ama ende mo be kire mo bibi tuwa bi ewatiwa. You guys have not seen anything yet. Ye can't chire wo say Idi Amin uye mistake now the neba obem mafia mo adi ono wane kan ye se onim na uye mistake na samoto abama na obabio mu a obekire mo bibi tuwa bi ewatiwa. The second comment of John Dramani Mahama ne ka kire mo say ebeye din esan se Yesu kan say first no buy ndi oba ne so ogwama na second one no oba ne sa anwenade John Dramani Mahama first time ne ba ne say ogwama second time idi oba ne sa anwenade na wa be kire Ghana for Ghana for more smoothness level oba mama say ye todo kuna ye jimoko ne ade nchinam de aka ho akodi ama wa fili benze. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama aka President and Trimo Odinya ondwene timamufo ho e da media agro na mu president for the yesu mu kose de ka kire mu se 2028 enwa na de duru ono ma empiem koto aba anaka se obi ma Wisconsin na wako hona won say yes Idi Amin you know they play hona won say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama aka Bole Bamboy ne hwede omode yamo Mwankasa nkasa bebia moti a moyi adwuma hwe de omode ye momabubu mu niema a mode ton ade hwe se no mosi ebubu no just because you can't chill on Wednesday and you guys Miss Amy Yashe Kumasi more vote than even vote out in them strong go. I was surprised because after Kevin Taylor and some of Cats or Pemswo, you guys went out and voted for them massively. And no person anything. We should come and cry for you. You guys are out of coverage area. You've not seen anything yet. His Excellency, do it more. Mafiomo, next time they will go out and vote. They will go out and vote. I'm telling you. Munye we ya shasie. Munye o we ya sashie na mo bemre. Obe miyamo. Ama moto dokuna mo bechi moko. Mo. Sisi ano. De me yani ye mame fo ne papa fo no mo wo mu na omonya bebi nkontra nton ade na mo mrante ne maba wane de. Sa mo se yezu. E no no so no eye no kama amamo. Send your moka ye no, de mo hwehwe ye no no ya amamo. So in this case, you can't blame anyone but than to blame yourselves because you guys campaigned for this. You guys praised them and told the whole country say they are the best. And in fact, they are doing the best. They are doing the best. You've not seen anything yet. I'm telling you. You've not seen anything yet. And Enchebiano. Monso na monyesa. Ghana for. And a mudi agro. 4 years now, you go reach right there. Then if you reach, then go vote against you people. So you people should continue continue doing it. Continue. Monye. Because you guys will be going home. And please, I'm telling you guys, 2028, you guys should come out and vote massively. Regardless of candidate and people representing. Forget any panel. Because party no power. You have your peace to sell and do whatever you want to do. Until they forget any panel presenting. Just think about yourself. Say, why in the Baba was sitting my Joe? Now, what my three be out, I don't want to. What you say? What you say? That is what you should think of. Just forget the person. Forget it. And come out and vote. Because I know, say, Omoba, they will make sure, say, everything these guys are doing to you, they will solve all the problems and make sure some Tom. How you gonna same TV? I'm just so any promise the blogger.